How to make the trail sponsored by the Ghostbusters. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Add a transform node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Change the edges to mirror, right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with XY path. Go to the Modifiers tab, double-click to the X slider to reset it, right-click on it, and select to modify it with anim curves. Change the source to duration, and increase the scale slider to 15. Go back to the Tools tab, under the Settings menu, and activate the Motion Blur box. Increase the shutter angle to 1000, and increase the quality all the way. Add a frame average node after. Set the sample duration to both, and increase the frames to 5. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground, select the merge node and decrease the blend slider around 0.5. I will use the 0.666 just to be safe. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is nothing you can do about it.